All right, this is my presentation on Taoism. So, a little history behind it. So, it's founded by a Chinese philosopher named Lao Tzu in 500 BCE. Both a philosophy and a religion. The belief is in cosmic balance and strong believers and going with the flow. So, basically, just going on, through life, just pushing through on a daily basis. So Taoism isn't related to a symbol of the yin yang, but is very close because the philosophy embodies the principle. So when you look up Taoism, it quickly relates to like the yin yang belief, which is basically peace through life, and but it's really not. It's kind of the same concept, but at the same time it's its own philosophy and how people live on a day to day basis and people go through society. So this relates to symbolic and interactionism, which is another form of religion, or how religion is. So symbolic interaction studies the symbols and interactions of everyday life. So one of the symbols are the Oracle Bones book, which basically you can tell your future. The other one is the Yin Yang symbol, which is obviously through peace and going on through day to day life. And some of the a way you can tell your future is through some hexagrams. So a guy that was really divine, or the guy that really just founded everything. He founded Taoism, or author of the Tao Te Ching, which is examples of his, which explains his thought. To him, Taoism was all humans are naturally good, but are corrupted by the law and belief that how they're actually supposed to behave in society. So through Tao, you only then will find peace. Without Tao, you're just basically living off how society wants you to live, or through the corrupt law and through unjust law. So he realized that through nature that the individual so the good of the individual leads to the good of the community. So society operates naturally and by not man-made laws. So you go into Tao, then you live on life how you want to live life instead of how everybody else lives life, and you can guide people through good and instead of man-made laws. So, some fun facts in usage today. So, one of the facts is Taoism teaches that trusting one's instincts and guts is the path of finding one's true nature. Another fact is Taoism involves scripture, meditation, feng shui. Sorry, I probably butchered that, and fortune telling. And final fact would be Taoism can help one to decrease stress in their life, which is known to cause illness. And its usage every day, or so Taoism, or another form of it was Taoism, has strongly influenced culture and religious life in China and other Eastern countries. So can be a strong connection towards socialization. So Taoism can make the connection to socialization because it's a part of the learning process of society and everyday life. Taoism is what people can do to live their life, and that they want to live, and how they don't have to live, how society wants them to live. It can show you ways to improve your life, become a good person, and guide others with you to become good people in an unjust and corrupt society. So he believes that through Taoism, it's only obviously it's only influenced and practiced through a Chinese country, or through China, but he's trying to spread it around the world, show people that you can live in positivity, you can live through happiness. You don't have to live in a corrupted world. Through certain practices, you can go into and read his books that he has, and try to influence others to then come join you. That is it. We're excited.